Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru WRX versus the Volkswagen Jetta GLI. Let's dive into their performance differences. The WRX typically boasts a more powerful engine and standard all-wheel drive, giving it an edge in various conditions. The GLI, on the other hand, offers a spirited front-wheel drive experience with a focus on agile handling and a smoother ride for daily commutes. Both provide an exciting drive, but with distinct approaches. Moving inside, both vehicles offer modern interiors, but with different philosophies. The WRX emphasizes a driver-centric cockpit, often with sportier accents and supportive seats. The GLI tends to present a more refined and understated cabin, often with higher quality materials and a slightly more premium feel. Both come equipped with advanced infotainment and connectivity options, ensuring you stay entertained and informed on the road. When considering practicality and value, there are key distinctions. The WRX's standard all-wheel drive makes it a strong contender for those in challenging climates, offering superior traction. The GLI generally delivers better fuel efficiency, which can be a significant factor for daily commuting. Both cars offer respectable trunk space for their class, making them practical for everyday use, and the GLI often has a more accessible starting price point. Ultimately, choosing between the WRX and the GLI comes down to your priorities. If you crave raw performance, all-weather capability, and a truly engaging driving experience, the WRX is likely your pick. However, if you prefer a more refined interior, better fuel economy, and a balanced blend of sportiness and comfort for everyday use, the GLI shines. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Both cars offer a lot of fun, just in different packages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.